Here's the Alcort Super Sailfish ZSA. She's so long, I don't know if I can get her all in the shot here. Got the first coat of TotalBoat WetEdge on the deck. This is the vintage paint scheme. Tribute scheme for the Life magazine article. Came out in 1949. You got the deck and the sides. We'll wrap it. We'll wrap it underneath. Let this dry first. Still got primer here on the white. Put a coat of WetEdge Blue Glow White. This is the fire red. Here we used it unthinned. Came out great. You just used a brush, brushed it on, kept a WetEdge, and boy, it's on there like candy or something. Really happy with how it's come out so far. Spin you around to get you look up the bow here again. I don't know if this mask collar is going to stay finished bright, or if we're going to paint it to match the red. Most likely the handrails will be finished bright, so with the mask collar looking bright and then the rudder on the back, it should all balance out. Put the door up here, see if that messes with the lighting too much. A little bit. Here she is, first coat of red on Alcort Super Sailfish ZSA.